What if I told you that you're getting underpaid for accepting a delivery while you're already on a delivery with Uber Eats? You're curious what I'm talking about? Stay tuned. What's up? My name is Elijah with the Side Hustle Society. We cover freelancing, one-person business success, and the gig economy on this channel. This is a video in the Uber Eats driver tips series where I'm going to give y'all an actionable tip that will help you to make more money being an Uber Eats driver in 2 minutes. And my 2 minutes start now. So last tips video we covered how having a dual account, meaning that your car qualifies for UberX and Uber Eats, can be to your benefit. So if you did that, then that means that you have access to Surge, and you can get Surge attached to your deliveries if you follow the steps in the last tips video. Well, that can actually go a step further. When you're driving on the way to a delivery, I often toggle rideshare off or on using the options menu on the screen that you see right now. What this does is it gives you the ability to control what type of requests you're getting. But let's say you've already accepted a delivery. You're normally getting requests for deliveries, right? On the way to the restaurant or on the way to the drop-off point. But if you leave the UberX tab open and you're accepting rideshare requests, there's something in the Uber algorithm that won't allow a different request to come in while you're on the type of request that you're on. So if you're doing a rideshare request, you won't get any deliveries coming in. And if you're doing a delivery request, or delivery trip rather, you won't get any rideshare requests coming in. So why is that important? Well, if you combine what I said in the last tips video with this, that means that if you're still in a surge zone while you're doing your delivery, any type of delivery that comes in while you're in the surge zone will still be tacked on to that delivery that's coming your way while you're on a trip. But if rideshare has been turned off, the surge won't apply because your app will be changed to just get delivery requests, and it will cancel out any surge that's on the map. So you want to make sure you have UberX turned on at all times when you're doing a delivery, because you could get a surge bonus and you might not even know it because you can't see the surge map when you're on a delivery, right? So just go ahead and turn it on and you can be making extra money. I think my 2 minutes are up, so we're going to go ahead and end the video. But I'm actually not finished with the dual account pimping, if you will, or manipulation, because you can really use this to your advantage. So if you want to find out how you can stop any kind of deliveries while you're on delivery, because let's just say there's too many coming in, it's interfering with your driving and whatnot, then click on the next tips video that's coming up in the series. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Thumbs up for this video, very much appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new, if you want more Uber Eats driver tips. See you in the next video.